This is the fourth problem, okay, which I am going to solve based in 2020 paper, right? It's a square and square root problem, right? They have given this, we have to simplify it. It's very simple one. So square root of 625, 11, 14, square root of 25, 11 and square root of 196. Now you know how to find the square root and all, but it is very simple. So for 625, that is 25 into 25 is 625, correct? This is called as squares. 25 square is equal to 625. Now, so square root of 625 is going to be 25, right? So instead of this, I will write this is square root of 25. 625 is 25. That divided by 11. Here you need to be careful with the operation, okay ma'am? That is into multiplication. 14 I will write as it is. Then for 25 is nothing but what? So 5 into 5 is 25. So the square root of 25 is 5 into, now 11 I will write as it is. Now the square root of 196 is nothing but 14 into 14, right? You should remember at least 1 to 20 or 25, the square roots, right? This is now going to be 196, so I will write 14. Now what happens here? This 11 and as well as 11 will be cancelled. This is in the numerator and as well as denominator. 14 and as well as 14 is also cancelled. So now 5 ones are 5 5s are. The answer here is 5, right? But you need to know how to find the square root, right? Which we explained in the concept, right? This is square root and as well as what is squares. Square is nothing but what? When a number is multiplied by itself is called a square, right? The reverse process of the square is nothing but square root. When you divide the number, so you will get the same number, so that is called a square root. Fine, you understood?